In example 1, we are going to find out the length and total surface area from the volume of a right prism. The most important technique in this kind of question is to find out the correct information in the figure and substitute it into the formula. In part A, it is difficult to mark the information on the 3D figure, and it is sometimes misleading. So we redraw the 3D figure into a plane figure. First of all, we draw the base, the trapezium ABCD, next to the original figure. Then mark the additional information on the figure. BC is 5 cm, CD is 8 cm, and DA is 3 cm. Note that CH is not part of the trapezium. We have to find the length of AB, so we let AB be x cm. First, write down the formula of the volume of prism, which is base area times height. The base area is 1/2 the sum of the two bases, 8 plus x, times the height 3. The height of the prism is 4. The volume is 72. 1 mark will be given if you can write down the correct formula. Then you can find out the value of x. To be 4. 1 mark will be given if you write down the correct answer. In part B, we have to find out the total surface area of the prism. To explain this, let's look at this video first. Imagine that there is a paper wrapping the prism. Now we unfold the paper. The total surface area of the prism is actually the area of this paper. For the areas of the upper and lower trapeziums, we can get this from the result in part A. The 4 red rectangles are the lateral faces. Actually, we can regard this as a big rectangle. The length is the perimeter of the trapezium. The width is the height of the prism. So, the area of the lateral faces is equal to the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism. Let's start the calculation. The total surface area is equal to 2 times the base area plus the total area of all lateral faces, 1/2 of the sum of 8 and 4, then times 3 is the area of one trapezium. Now we have 2 trapeziums, so we multiply by 2. For the next part, 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8 is the perimeter of the trapezium base, and 4 is the height of the prism. 1 mark will be given if you can write down the correct formula. If you write down the correct answer with units, 116 cm square. Another mark will be given In example 2, we have to calculate the area of the shaded region. Splitting the figure into different parts is a useful strategy. Since E is the midpoint of AD, we can draw a horizontal line from E to split the rectangle into 2 parts. Moreover, FB is equal to 3AF. We can draw 3 vertical lines to split AB into 4 parts. AF takes 1 part. FB takes 3 parts. Now we can find out the area of the shaded region by counting. First, write down the area of triangle AEF to be 1. So, the area of this small triangle is also 1. The area of this rectangle is 1 plus 1, which is 2. We can see that the area of this big rectangle is 6 times 2, which is 12. This shaded triangle is half of this rectangle. So, its area is 1/2 of 12, which is 6. The total area of the shaded region is 6 plus 2 plus 1, which is 9 cm square. The answer is B.